Hi everybody, good morning. I'm doing daily challenge. Cheesy does it today, hence the JWT. Of course, you go there, you register as always, and you follow the instruction. Just register your name, and then, for example, 123, 123. You can put, and then we know that they talk about JWT. I think there was a red symbol or something. So JWT, so you go to storage, it's already in that one, so you get that one. You go to JWT, you can't put this one there. You can do the all tricks that you might think to work. For example, I can say the non-script, for example, and say, for example, I will change myself to admin. Now, and then, for example, if I copy this one and you try this, the classic things, you refresh, you logged out, so you know the trick doesn't work. So we need to look for something else. The next best thing when this one doesn't work is the classic. The classic, can we brute force this one? Usually I can use hash cut, for example, minus a 0 minus m for the token is 165 1655, and that's the token for crack the token for hash cut. And I can do my own hack. What? We can do rock. The secret is so easy, you'll find it. It's already cracked because secret is secret. So we know the secret, so we can forge it. So you know it's a weak secret, so the secret is secret. And now what we can do, we can come here and can just say, okay, let's get back what it was. I forgot what was. Okay, we forgot. Let's get another one. Uh, so we know the secret is secret. We can just put secret here. I can change my username to admin. I can change admin. I assume admin, for example, is ID 1. And let's copy this one and hopefully it work without any fancy stuff. Delete this one. This one it doesn't work. We need to go back, refresh the page. And now we have a new menu and we can see here. And then as this type of room, you start looking. Now you have an admin dashboard. We have 4 user. So we have the admin, the customer foodie. Well, this is me. With a non-user, there is no option to change. We have 0 total. We have the admin profile. Pizza admin, the address. Where is the flag? That's one of the things you can start looking for these things, but as of this type of room, if you did before, of course you go to your front. Let me click network, let me refresh network in admin portal. I'm inside the admin endpoint. This is the admin endpoint. Now let's see. I'm not interested to this GS file. I don't need it. So this verified token, that's a normal one. And see, let's see any response header I had. No. Now if I go to the stat header, response, and then you get X flag is that. So we have it in the stat folder, we have it in the user response, and we have the response. Let me test something else I forgot to test. What happens if I keep my name? Do we get the flag if I keep my name and let's say 4? I'm just changing my role as admin, but I don't think we can get it. If I switch now to normal, just I don't think I didn't test this. Let's test it. What's going on? If I do that, the menu disappear, the admin portal, and then we don't get the flag. So if we go back to network, the order, no, we get it. Even if you do, I didn't test this. Let's start again. Refresh. Now you don't get a flag if you just normal admin. Let's go to orders. I thought I saw the flag. No, you don't get a response header in. You need to become admin to see it. So normal user, you're not getting it. You need to be a full admin to see these things. That's the order verified token. The response, there is no response. So for you, you need to switch everything. You need to add. How about does it count only for username for the sake of argument? Let's take that one. Let's test that one for if only the username, or we need to change the ID too. It doesn't look like a response. I don't see the header. H2 express. So we need to get that admin key. So we need to have that ID 1. If I do that now, suddenly I get. So if I do that quickly, let's experiment. So if you do that, now you get that admin endpoint, and the admin endpoint then give me the response I'm looking for. Then you have that one. So without admin 1, if I just put 4 and change in username, I don't have access to that. So it need to be an ID equal 1 for the sake of argument. You see, admin endpoint, I'm returning back. So you need to change the whole thing. So you need to change admin either 1 and log in as an admin with the state 4. Then you can get all your username. At least for me, I don't see. I'm just testing it quickly now to see. So if I go now to the admin there, then I can see it in the user. Where is it now? Okay, guys, thank you very much and have a good day.